They call it
The Fast-Track Barista Pack.
That's right, Charlie. Yeah.
Could you make me into a barista?
You want to work here?
No, at home. Could you make me into a home barista?
Trust me, it took me years to get to this level.
Can't you just fast-track me? Okay. Okay?
Okay.
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 Wow.
Yeah, it's wow, all right. And in 3 easy steps, you will make them just like me. Step 1, you will need a machine that can perform as good as a cafe machine like mine. That means it delivers the 4 keys formula like all these.
Ideal dose, optimal pressure, precise temperature, and powerful steam?
How do you know the 4 keys?
Oh, I've been doing some research about machines online, like, the OG and bestseller, the Barista Express. Or if you're short on time, then maybe you need the Barista Touch and Press. That practically makes it for you. It's got this touchscreen cafe menu with lever-assisted tamping for a perfect puck and auto milk that even textures alternative milks. Are you allowed to do that?
It's cool, they know me here.
Sam, please don't take the machines from the display.
Or you could get it online.
I was getting it for you. Step 2. Once you have the right machine, you need the same specialty beans cafes use. That's really important for the taste, and honestly, that's where most people go wrong. These beans are delivered to your door from the country's best roasters. You can even get them at roasted direct prices. It's called Beanz.com.
I can't find their website.
With a Z.
Oh, Beanz with a Z. Well, I just made an order online. Specialty roasted beans are coming.
Coming where?
To my house.
Blah, 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 blah. Free delivery.
Yeah. Beanz.com. You should check it out.
I know, I'm the one who just told you.
Beanz.com. I like it.
Nice little bachelor pad.
Thanks. I'll leave you with my wife.
Oh, right. Well, step 3. Time to set up your machine.
How's this? Have you seen these videos? They make them specific for every Breville machine, with easy step-by-step guides that get you unboxing to pulling your first shot in minutes.
See, the machine, the beans, and the skills you need, and it even saves you money. That's the Fast-Track Barista Pack.
I'm concentrating.
What do you need me for?
Who are you talking to?
Look, I made my first latte.
Oh.
For you. Yeah, and then I just set it up and I was watching all these videos. Basically, yeah, learned how to make that.
I want to be a home barista.
Don't worry, I can fast track you. So, step 1, machine.
With the Fast-Track Barista Pack, we don't just make espresso machines, we make home baristas. Bundle and get up to $200 cash back.